Hello, it's Chris from Customer Success at AgentRelay, and today I'm going to show you how to join a virtual viewing. So firstly, joining for your guests. A guest can join a virtual viewing at the scheduled time by clicking the link in the email notification they receive from you as an agent. If the agent has not yet joined the call, the guest will be asked to wait in the waiting room, and that looks like this. Joining for you as the agent. The agent joins the viewing by clicking the green Join button next to the scheduled viewing of the relevant property. The agent will see a pink Guests Waiting label against the viewing if guests are already in the waiting room, and will also receive an email advising of any guests waiting to join a viewing. Once the agent joins, the guest will be prompted with a Join Viewing button, which looks like this. It will also be accompanied by a sound notification and also a tick box to consent to the viewing being recorded if that is required. The agent can join any viewing where the start date is today, and can also join a viewing either before or after its stated start time or after its stated end time. So to join the viewing, the agent now clicks the green Join button, and the following pop-up appears, which gives you audio and video options which need to be selected before joining the call. So joining with video. The option to join with video is available for agents in both private and open house viewing mode, and for guests in private viewing mode. Both agents and guests can choose their preferred camera before the start of the virtual viewing. AgentRelay will pre-select their default camera. Joining with audio. The option to join with audio either on or off is available for both agents and guests in both private and open house viewing mode. Both agents and guests can choose their preferred microphone option before the start of this virtual viewing. The default setting for both agents and guests is to join the viewing with default audio set to on. This can be adjusted to join with audio set to off by selecting the no microphone option, which is in the drop down. Joining without audio and video. A blue button called Join Without Audio and Video on the Join Call pop-up can be clicked to join without audio and video if this option is so required. Once the correct settings have been selected, or you let AgentRelay use the default settings, you're ready to join the call. And that's it. That's how you join a virtual viewing as an agent.